8 fruits that can cleanse your kidneys naturally. In today's video, we will present 8 amazing fruits that can effectively cleanse your kidneys. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can enhance kidney function and protect against kidney stones and infections. Continue watching the video if you want to understand more about these fruits that are good for your kidneys. Number 1. Cranberries. Let's start with the cranberries. Cranberries are frequently linked to possible advantages for the health of the urinary system. Cranberries may be advantageous for kidney health as well as general urinary tract health for the following reasons. Preventing urinary tract infections. Proanthocyanidins, a substance found in cranberries, may help stop some bacteria, such as E. coli, from sticking to the urinary tract's walls. Urinary tract infections may be less common as a result of this action. UTIs may impact kidney health if they are not addressed. Antioxidant properties. A variety of phytochemicals and vitamin C are among the abundant antioxidants found in cranberries. By aiding in the body's defense against free radicals, these antioxidants can improve general health. They might also have advantages for the kidneys. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cranberries include some molecules that have anti-inflammatory qualities, which may benefit the urinary tract. Additionally, these qualities might promote renal health. In conclusion, including cranberries in a healthy diet may help maintain the health of the urinary system and lower the incidence of UTIs. Number 2. Blueberries. There are qualities of blueberries that can improve general health, including possible advantages for the kidneys. Antioxidants, anthocyanins, which are found in abundance in blueberries, are strong antioxidants. Antioxidants in the body fight free radicals, which may enhance general health. Kidney protection may also be a benefit of this antioxidant activity. Anti-inflammatory effects. The kidneys are just one of the organs that may suffer from chronic inflammation. Anthocyanins, one of the molecules found in blueberries, have anti-inflammatory qualities that may help reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. Minerals and vitamins. Blueberries are rich in manganese and the vitamins C and K. These nutrients are important for blood coagulation, bone health, and immunity. Sustaining kidney function requires maintaining general health. Blood pressure regulation. Studies on the health of the cardiovascular system have linked blueberries to certain advantages, including blood pressure regulation. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for kidney health since high blood pressure can be a risk factor for renal disease. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are a nutrient-dense fruit that can be included in a balanced diet, much like other berries. Numerous health advantages of strawberries may enhance general well-being, including possible advantages for kidney health. Antioxidants. A variety of phytochemicals and vitamin C are abundant in strawberries. Free radicals, which can aggravate oxidative stress and inflammation, are countered by antioxidants. The kidneys and other organs might benefit from this. Certain chemicals present in strawberries provide anti-inflammatory characteristics. The kidneys are one of the organs that can suffer from chronic inflammation, thus eating foods that contain anti-inflammatory qualities may be helpful. Vitamins and minerals, manganese, folate, and vitamin C and K are all found in abundance in strawberries. These nutrients are necessary for several biological processes, such as blood coagulation, cell division, and immunological support. Hydration. The high water content of strawberries helps with general hydration. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for kidney health since it aids in the body's removal of waste. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4. Cherries. Cherries have qualities that might improve general health and even kidney health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Anthocyanins, a chemical found in cherries, especially tart cherries, have anti-inflammatory qualities. Eating foods high in anti-inflammatory compounds may benefit kidney disease patients, as chronic inflammation is linked to several health problems. Antioxidants, quercetin and anthocyanins, two types of antioxidants found in cherries, are abundant. Antioxidants in the body fight free radicals, which are a contributing factor to oxidative stress. Lowering oxidative stress could be good for the health of all the organs, including the kidneys. Melatonin content, a hormone that controls sleep-wake cycles, melatonin is found in cherries, particularly tart cherries. In addition to being crucial for general health, getting enough good sleep may also help kidney function. Blood pressure regulation, studies have indicated that cherries may have a role in blood pressure regulation. Maintaining good blood pressure levels is essential for kidney health since high blood pressure is a risk factor for renal disease. Number 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating and nutritious fruit that can be part of a healthy diet. Some aspects of watermelon can contribute to overall kidney health. Hydration. Watermelon has a high water content, which can contribute to overall hydration. Staying well hydrated is important for kidney function as it helps in the elimination of waste products from the body. Natural diuretic effect. Watermelon contains a natural compound called citrulline, which can be converted into arginine, leading to the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide may have a mild diuretic effect, promoting urine production. While this can help with fluid balance, excessive diuresis may not be suitable for individuals with certain kidney conditions. Vitamins and antioxidants. Watermelon is a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like lycopene. These nutrients have potential benefits for overall health, including the potential to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 6. Apples. Apples can be a healthy fruit with several health advantages, and they can be included in a diet that is kidney-friendly for several reasons. Hydration. The high water content of apples helps with general hydration. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for kidney health since it aids in the body's removal of waste. Dietary fiber. Pectin and other soluble fibers are found in apples, making them a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber is important for preserving a healthy digestive system and may improve gut health in general. Through effective waste product removal, a healthy digestive system can indirectly support kidney health. Antioxidants. Vitamin C and flavonoids are two of the many antioxidants found in apples. Antioxidants aid in the elimination of free radicals, a factor in oxidative stress. It may be beneficial to lower oxidative stress for the kidneys as well as other organs. Low in sodium. Apples have a low sodium content by nature. Lowering sodium consumption is frequently advised for those with renal problems, particularly for those with diseases like hypertension or kidney disease, to help control blood pressure and fluid balance. Number 7. Lemons. Lemons can be part of a healthy diet and offer certain benefits that may indirectly support kidney health. Citric acid. Lemons are a good source of citric acid, which may help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Citric acid can bind to calcium in the urine, reducing the risk of certain kidney stones. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for kidney health, and some people find that adding a splash of lemon to water can make it more enjoyable, potentially encouraging increased water intake. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing and vital drink that can quickly boost the spirits and energize the body. According to several studies, regular consumption of lemon water is not only good for the kidneys but also for overall health. To make lemon water, extract the juice from fresh lemons and dilute it with water, depending on your preference. You can consume it hot or cold, depending on the weather. It's crucial to take into account each person's personal preferences and possible sensitivities. For some individuals, the acidity of lemon water might have a strong impact on their teeth or stomach, especially if consumed excessively. If you experience acid reflux or have sensitive teeth, it might be helpful to monitor your lemon juice consumption and consider diluting it. Number 8. Pomegranates. Kidney health might benefit from pomegranates. They might be advantageous for the following reasons. Antioxidants, polyphenol, in particular, are abundant in pomegranates. Antioxidants aid in the body's defense against free radicals, which may improve general health and maybe lessen inflammation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Research indicates that pomegranates may be able to reduce inflammation. Reducing inflammation may indirectly enhance the health of all organs, including the kidneys, as chronic inflammation is associated with several health problems. Heart health. Pomegranates are linked to cardiovascular benefits, such as lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Maintaining heart health is important for overall blood flow, which can impact kidney function. Hydration. Pomegranates have a high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health, as it supports the kidneys in effectively filtering waste products from the blood. These are the best fruits for renal health that we recommend: pomegranates, lemon, apples, watermelon, strawberries, cherries, blueberries, and cranberries. Even though these fruits can make a delectable addition to your diet. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and adequate hydration are key to maintaining kidney health. Just a quick reminder that this video is just intended for educational purposes. If you have any medical issues, consult your doctor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you in the next video.